Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to come up with your portfolio. So how to manage your portfolio and how to add stocks to that portfolio, how to divide your overall how to do your asset allocation for your portfolio. So this video is all about that, so let's get started. Now whenever you're investing in the stock market, always remember that if you make profit, you will make profit, but you will also lose some money. If you play it right, you won't lose it. So to do that, to play the right game, always divide your portfolio. Let's say this company should be AMZ and Amazon. This MSFT, I guess Microsoft, and this one Tesla. So always divide your portfolio like this. So when you're thinking like you have $100, okay, you have $100, and you're saying that you want to divide your portfolio among this, but you also want to keep some amount. You know, if a certain stock drops and you have that amount, then you'll buy that stock and move along the uptrend. So let's say if you think that one of these three stocks, you said that the Microsoft would go up by 40%, then give your most of your amount to this particular stock, and the rest 20, sorry, it's dollar, yes, yep, it's dollar. So if you think which stock will go up, so even further, then give your total amount to that stock. If you think that this stock will go upward by 40%, then give your most balance to that account, to that stock, and divide the rest by. And if you think these two will go a small go by upward in a small amount, so always give your small to this one, and keep the rest for a rainy day. You know, if a fourth stock, or if stocks from one of these drops and went into a pullback, then you will have an option to invest this much amount into that stock and move along the trend. Well, this is a great way to divide your portfolio among different stocks. And then there's one more thing that you'd like to consider over here. Whenever you're investing in the stock market, always look for stocks that are traded mostly in the stock market. By mostly, I mean that they are traded every day. Trading, buying and selling happens them every day. So always buy that type of stocks. Do not like their trading happen in them fastly. By fastly, it is like in 5 minutes one buys, and in 6 minutes the other sell. Like this type of hands are exchanged in them within minutes. So always like the hot cake. So always buy in those type of stocks. Always target those type of stocks, because if you target the slow stocks, they will give you less profits. So that's the con, what you call it, the con of the stock market. And this the pro of the hot stock. It will provide you with more profit, and it will provide you much more than the stocks that you will provide you less. So always watch out for these type of stocks, because you as a trader and I as a trader want to make profit out of the stock market, out of these stocks. So I'm also looking for the stock market. If you don't know which stocks to buy, like you don't know what are the hotcakes in the stock market, which stocks are traded mostly in the stock market. So whichever platform you are using to trade stocks, sorry, or whichever platform you are using to observe or view your stock, to do your technical analysis, open that platform or browser, and open that all list of that stocks, and watch that stocks as which one are traded mostly in the stock market. There will be some that are traded mostly, and there will be some that are traded uh, oftenly. So target those, write down those stocks that are traded often, mostly, and trade in those. Let's say if you, if you want to invest in the slower stocks, you want to invest a portion of a small portion of your portfolio in the slower stocks, then that's great. It will provide you, you will gain some experience about that, and also it will provide you less profit, and you will have gain much more experience than the stocks that are moving slowly. So that's up to you. I've clearly defined it to you how to divide your portfolio among many companies. Let's say, there's one more thing. These are three companies. If you want to invest in six companies, then that would be much of a burden for you. Try to avoid those type of, always target three to four stocks to invest in. Three for long position and one for short, or two for long, two for short. Because if two companies went up, this third will go down. So these type of things happen, and if you're investing in six companies, it might happen that two companies go up and four goes down, and it will be difficult to manage for you. So always target the smaller the portfolio, the much more the bigger the profit. So target less always target less of the stocks and to trade. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about